people underestimating either me or trying to define me by my gender or by where I come from or my upbringing. It's always been a big fire thing in me.
Welcome, guys, to a brand new episode again of IT podcast with Somnath. And today I have a very special guest again. She used to be very popular in our campus. There are so many societies she was part of, including dramatics, debate, and then went on to do great stuff. Now leading, AI and the ML field in Samsung research. So, welcoming to the show, Pragya Sahu. Hi.
Hi, hi, hi. Thank you, thank you. I didn't know I was so popular. Thank you for telling me 10 years later.
Yeah. थोड़ा सा I used to be intimidated by you. Generally जो भी popular लोग होते हैं I used to be
That
हाँ,
weirdly, Amrit has told me this that he used to be intimidated.
okay. Actually, I don't think I have even spoken to you during college times इतना face to face. This might be the first time.
Maybe, probably.
Yeah.
So I did realize this probably first, second year of working with that. I have a habit of making my cohort. So I'll find people who are like me, become friends, and then I get lost with them. I stop caring about the rest of the world. It's not intentional. It's not as if I don't care about the rest of the world. It's just that I get comfortable in my circle and
मतलब not your fault.
uh,
Generally वो
well,
थोड़ा
yes, maybe a
right.
nice long conversation and long overdue.
Yep. Okay. So, right, we'll begin the podcast generally, as you know, three parts में try to break it down. One is life before IIT, for a school life हो गया, and then life at IIT, then life beyond IIT as well with the learnings that you took from campus. So yeah, starting off with life before IIT, I want to ask as a school student, मतलब आप कैसे थे? Generally, you have scored really well in your 10th in the CBSE board and all. But uske pehle bhi I want to ask, like, when did you seriously start thinking ki, okay, I want to do more in academics?
So, तो एक तो I am a defense brat. My dad's an Air Force officer. So my childhood has always been every 2 years, new city, new school, which worked really well for me. मतलब I kind of like that nomadic lifestyle, which is very weird to my current life, but I liked it as a child. Um, and in schools के साथ, I honestly think speaking, I think I was Three Idiots का Chatur Ramalingam. That was me. I was a topper, and I was very um, maybe very serious about the fact कि I need to top in class. I don't know ऐसा क्यों था. I remember my mom telling me कि मैं LKG या UKG में ऐसा था. उस टाइम पे there used to be ranks तब भी, and UKG में they gave me second rank for some reason, and I cried for 2 hours about it. Uh, it's my dad and my mom who've made me like this, not my fault. But I was always academically inclined. So loved maths, loved science, honestly loved topping class. It was more of that, the drive to succeed and stand out from the crowd. And of course, every 2 years when you're changing schools, it becomes that you need to reprove yourself. So you can't take things lax कि अच्छा this teacher knows me तो chill है अपन थोड़ा लफंगागिरी कर लेंगे. Also, you don't really have those बचपन के दोस्त जिसके साथ तुम लफंगागिरी करते हो. The only way you make a name for yourself, or people start identifying you, is if you do something, if you're special in some way, not very talented as an artist in any way. So what I was good at was scoring marks. So just did that well. My parents also very studious actually. My dad has two PhDs right now. I'm constantly intimidated by him. So learning education was a family thing. डिनर टेबल्स में बैठ के सब खाना मिलना है तो पहले टू का टेबल बोलो फिर खाना मिलेगा. Just how the Sahu household was.
अच्छा. So where did you grow up in? मतलब transferable jobs, I'm guessing, and then all over India?
ऑल ओवर इंडिया एक्चुअली नॉर्थ ईस्ट छोड़ के some years. हाँ, weirdly I did my 10th from Srinagar, which is
हाँ,
a very weird decision on my parents' parts कि 9th 10th में अपने बच्चों को कौन श्रीनगर ले जाता है, but हाँ, all over India, वो हर 2-3 साल new state new city. Longest was Delhi because dad ended up having a tour in Africa for a couple of years, so we stayed back in Delhi.
So let me come to the 10th exams, as you said, Srinagar में पढ़े हुए थे, and then of course you scored really well in 10th. So was that kind of like you're topping already everywhere, but what 10th exams, was it like a validation कि okay, now I need to go for further studies और देखना है कि कहाँ कहाँ avenues खुलते हैं मेरे लिए, and how was it?
Um, hmm. So I think I knew I will be an engineer. I don't I cannot rote learn things. So doctor was out of the equation. I hate blood. I hate hospitals. So doctor was out very very early on. I like maths. I like figuring solutions out. So knew I was going to be an engineer. Now, yeah, आईआईटी के बारे में इट्स समथिंग कि डैड टोल्ड मी व्हेन आई वाज इन नाइन्थ कि अच्छा इंजीनियर बनना है तो दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू बीइंग वन and IITs exist. There is this coaching ka process. I think those were the years when coaching was starting to take root. Maybe it was not as deep rooted as it is today, but it was pretty prevalent. So you knew ki something has to be like there's some uphill battle I have to start climbing around ninth mein. Uh, एंड हाँ आई थिंक उतना ही था कि यू वांट टू बी एन इंजीनियर डैड हैज टोल्ड मी कि आईआईटी इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर यू again go I'm coming with that mindset of uh, I just honestly by 11th 12th I had that little bit of arrogance ki I am amazing, I'm very good, maybe comes after those years of just yeah schools में बच्चों को सर चढ़ाना is very very easy and teenage time तो it's very very easy right तो वो वैसे ही था कि अच्छा ये बेस्ट है तो मुझे यही करना है तो मेरे को आईटी जाना है खत्म not a lot of logic went behind that decision ever. I
Okay.
all maybe like my parents have manipulated me since my childhood. I don't know. We'll have to see.
Okay. धीरे धीरे it has come out to become a therapy session की parents को
ऐसा मैं हाँ
ऐसा but
एक्चुअली
yeah.
वैसे था कि ये तो करना ही है इंडिया में करना है तो बेस्ट तरीका यही है बाहर जाने के पैसे है नहीं तो कूल फिर आईटी करते हैं
Okay. And कब से did you go into coaching or seriously preparing for IIT?
11th. So 9th, 10th was Srinagar. Srinagar didn't have a lot of resources. So I was very lucky that way. My childhood was perfectly safe. 10th I enjoyed. I made Srinagar था तो I remember 10th exam से पहले I'm making snowmans and वो snow में लेट के angels बना रहे हैं because सिर्फ boards का stress है. You don't have to worry about anything else. तो हाँ only so 11th में मैं moved to Pune. Better city to gives you more resources. I think that's where I started coaching, but had its own weird my life's very weird. So 11, 12 mein I joined coaching in Pune and my dad put in a lot of effort. He figured out where we should stay, which is one of the best coachings close by that matches my learning style. So around that time, coachings also had different formats, right? You would either have something that's daily, ki har din after school you do something, or it would be a weekend thing that school karo and bus weekend mein you're going. They give you just high level concepts and you do problem solving. There were your wo correspondence courses wale which were very famous around that time. तो डैड रियलाइज मैं वो डेली वाली इंसान हूँ मुझे बिकॉज अदरवाइज इट्स वेरी इजी टू लूज फोकस मतलब स्कूल हर दिन हो रहा है कोचिंग हफ्ते में एक बार हो रहा है तो आई जस्ट प्रायोरिटाइज स्कूल तो he put in a lot of effort, figured out a good coaching, a school close by that I don't lose out on a lot of time. But then where his plans went awry was after I joined, 2 months after that, coaching got split. The good teachers and good students, they all went somewhere else. We took the choice of sticking with the coaching, which in hindsight not the perfect choice, but what ended up happening was because कंपटीशन चला गया तो फिर मैं यहाँ भी ऐसे फ्री फोकट में टॉप करने लगी तो देन वापस होता है ना यू डोंट रियलाइज योर एक्चुअल um, place. Matlab, when you get things very easy, you believe it's not worth the effort, right? So maybe that ended up happening. So 11th, 12th, I did very well in 12th. I did better in 12th than I did in 10th, but JE was bad.
Hmm.
Couldn't really do well in JE.
Okay. Just to complete the loop on the school, matlab, you said कि you did really well on 12th. Just to mention percentages, मतलब कितना मिला था आपको?
Yeah, exactly, Adni, but I think I was state third in KV, third or something.
Okay.
So, हाँ, it's really well, right? नहीं थर्ड नहीं, टॉप 10 में समथिंग ऐसा है.
Okay.
कल जाके देखना पड़ेगा सर्टिफिकेट में क्या लिखा है.
Okay. Let me
Back
mention a number. ठीक है. Just what
90,
I found out,
97
97.2 is that?
ऐसा कुछ था. उसमें भी आई थिंक कौन सा एक सब्जेक्ट वाज बैड जिसमें 94 आए थे, वरना तो एवरीथिंग वाज रियली नाइस. हाँ
Okay.
मतलब
And All
वो
India also you stood 8th, right?
एक
ऐसा
क्या,
कुछ.
थैंक यू. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
Great.
For people listening, this is just to show that 10 years, 15 years down the line, it won't matter. This just becomes a stat that some old friend of yours will remind you sometime later and you'll be happy.
Now, school say you are almost differing कि हाँ JEE preparation takes over more of the time, right? कि school से भी and then you mentioned कि हाँ JEE was really tough compared to school which you had relatively easier. तो उसमें how was the difference for you?
Yeah, so I think the thing about JEE is it's not just ki you figure out some equation and you get a problem that you've seen variations of 10 बार पहले. You cannot do that mind map thingy कि ये problem देखा था, इसको ऐसे solve करना है तो ये होगा. Most often than not, like majority of questions are wherein कहीं कुछ एक trick है छोटा सा. They're not difficult. After, like, once I figured out the trick of it, you do realize it's not difficult. It's just knowing things in a more in-depth way rather than just knowing it at a conceptual level. मतलब जैसे simply remembering laws के तीन motion is not enough to clear J. Let's go back to the very very core of things and build it up from there. CBSE often became about अगर theorems है उसका derivation याद कर लो, and it doesn't help. मतलब क्या करोगे वो डेरिवेशन याद करके. एंड में तुम्हें फाइनली पता होना चाहिए कि इम्प्लिसिटली वो चीजें कैसे काम कर रही है. तो hence maybe a good teacher or a good teaching style is also very important there, which starts from the basic. And unfortunately पुणे में मेरा थोड़ा उसमें पंगा हो गया था, आई थिंक.
Okay. Main motivation of this podcast is मतलब want to help the students कि कैसे better prepare कर सकते हैं, not just JEE but even for life. So first principles thinking is कि they break it into smaller problems or basic level पे solve करो and then you'll get to okay how मतलब पहले why then what then how वैसे type का spend. So yeah, great. So हाँ प्रज्ञा, you also took a drop year, right? JEE के time पे. So why that decision and how did you come कि मतलब वो decision पे कैसे did you reach?
So multiple facets to this. Like I said, 12th I did well, but J was bad. At the same time, I did decently well in AIEEE and all the bits and all the other exams. So I was getting decent options in. I could have either picked up bits Pilani में electronics type का degree, और I think बाकी colleges में कुछ कुछ मिल ही रहा था. It wasn't a very ऐसा कि कहीं नहीं जा सकते वाला scene. But then I remember. कोई तो, like, some, and my dad has this habit of asking from advice from everyone whenever he's stuck, and it had become like a shared dream for both of us, पापा और मेरा, कि अपन साथ में ये कर रहे हैं, राइट. उनका भी सपना कि बेटी आईआईटी जाएगी. तो ही इज आस्किंग लॉट ऑफ रैंडम पीपल, एंड समवन आई ओवरहर्ड टेलिंग हिम. आई डोंट नो इफ माय डैड नोज कि नोज दिस नोज दैट, बट समवन वाज टेलिंग हिम कि देखो एंड में तो लड़की है, इतना पैसा क्यों खर्च करना, वो शादी करेगी. भाई बहुत गुस्सा आया था. मतलब उफ, उस दिन जो गुस्सा आया था कि ये तो अनएक्सेप्टेबल. देर इज at no point can I let my gender become anything defining about me. उस दिन I was sure कि I will shut them up. That there is like, I was sure I'll clear. I was sure कि this discourse of लड़की है इतना कर लिया is a lot. How much more can you expect? Has to stop. It was so weirdly throughout my drop year. That was a weird driving force for me. So when I took a drop, my dad got posted to Delhi, so we all moved to Delhi. But then I found out that in my school, one of my ex teachers was going around telling ki acha, I remember this guy. So I was in a school that wasn't very premium. It was because the idea was घर के पास कोई भी स्कूल में निपटा लो बस. So the teacher going around telling me कि अच्छा ये लड़की थी कितने बड़े बड़े सपने देखे थे बट देखो अब तो कॉलेज भी नहीं मिला. एंड भाई अगेन बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा कि ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा. सो पीपल अंडर एस्टिमेटिंग either me or trying to define me by my gender or by where I come from or my upbringing. It's always been a big fire thing in me. Weirdly, across around like while I'm telling you stories, I keep thinking about a lot of other incidents that happened in college also, which also someone saying something about me, which has given me a weird drive to prove them wrong. So, huh. That was the moment I knew कि yes, drop तो लेना.
You were one of the success stories, मतलब ऐसे और भी opposite side भी है, जैसे you mentioned. Yeah. So going back, maybe ये question I'll ask you right now from where you're standing or sitting, going back 15, 16 years, would you still advise कि young Pragya को कि would you take the drop year or no?
प्रज्ञा को yes, definitely. मतलब my journey, my life has been very very different because of going to Kharagpur. However, it's not a mandate for everyone. It's not कि आईआईटी नहीं गए तो कुछ बुरा होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. मे बी in terms of career or how much money I end up earning, if I had just joined a college and taken a CS degree, I would have been earning more than I am right now. Highly possible. Or I would have, a lot of my friends, school year friends, they went and did their masters from somewhere in US, working for one of the FANG companies right now. And that's a pretty good career to have. There is nothing there's nothing that stopped them from doing it, right? So इट्स नॉट अ इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग कि यार ये नहीं हुआ तो लाइफ खत्म है, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. प्रज्ञा के लिए इट वॉज इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज ऑफ माई ओन पर्सनल थिंग्स, राइट. आई कुड नॉट हैंडल कि लड़की नहीं कर सकती वाला स्टेटमेंट. तो प्रज्ञा वुड हैव टेकन अ ड्रॉप, यस.
Okay, great. So I'll come to the next question, which is कि मतलब do you remember your IIT का exam day? मतलब you're prepared for 2 years and then taking a drop another 1 year. मतलब the successful IIT attempt इस बार. And then कि इस बार ज़्यादा nervous थे from last time या was it similar level, and what were you thinking that day?
I don't remember nervousness. I am pretty sure I was nervous. I am horrible at taking exams. I am a nervous wreck. Even today, before any test, any exam, I'm a horrible wreck. So I'm pretty sure I was nervous. But what I do remember is you have two exams, no? I was very lucky. My center was close by, like 5 minute का walk types. दिल्ली में था. April is hot, but I got a fully AC school. तो both things were taken care of. And I remember first paper के बाद being very peaceful because I came back home, अच्छे से lunch किया, आराम से 1 घंटा सोई हूँ और फिर वापस गई हूँ. Which is very different from how my first attempt went, wherein I was basically anxious and panicky and वैसा. I'm pretty sure that calmness जो पता नहीं कहाँ से आया, maybe because first paper went well, तो that subconscious gets a little chill. That would have helped also. But at least the day wasn't that panicky. It was pretty nice and peaceful. I was lucky in some aspects. Believe I have a fairy godmother looking out for me. So she did her job well that day. That was nice.
Okay. And did you immediately know after the second paper also कि इस बार क्लियर हो जाएगा कि did you wait for कि रिजल्ट डे आने के बाद ही कंफर्म होगा?
हाँ, सो फीलिंग था कि अच्छा तो गया है, पिछले बार से बेटर गया. बट ऑफ कोर्स ड्रॉप ईयर है, राइट. यू हैव a lot of expectations riding on you. And it's not just like family ke matlab, not just parents ke expectation, it pure khandan ke expectations, because my dad is the success story of his family. तो उसका बर्डन है कि अच्छा उनकी बेटी कर रही है, दैट इज मेरे से पहले नो वन हैड रियली अटेम्प्टेड और क्लियर्ड जेई, मेरे बाद अ कपल अदर कजन्स हैव डन इट, बट तो लॉट ऑफ वो सारी चीजें तुम्हें दिमाग में पता है, दादी नानी सब कुछ कुछ बोल रहे हैं, तो इट वॉज स्कैरी। आई रिमेम्बर कपल ऑफ डेज बाद वो आंसर की निकल आता है ना, तो पापा केप्ट टेलिंग मी कि चेक कर, एंड मैं नहीं कर रही थी, आई वेटेड फॉर देम टू गो सब्जी मार्केट कभी तो, एंड फिर शाम में प्रियंका मेरी सिस्टर को अलग से रूम में लॉक करके मैंने शांति से चेक किया, एंड व्हेन मॉम डैड केम बैक दे फाउंड मी क्राइंग ऑन द बेड, तो दे वर श्योर अगेन कि ये कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है, बट क्राइंग बिकॉज that was I like the score I had calculated was really good, which I knew कि हाँ 100% अब हो ही जाएगा.
Okay. Do you remember your result day? कुछ celebrations when you found out कि हाँ done.
It was huge. So I had underplayed, like एक बार मॉम डैड वापस आए तो मैं फिर थोड़ा वो कहे कि नहीं नहीं टेंशन हो रहा है नेक्स्ट एग्जाम का, एंड ठीक है स्कोर इज फाइन करके लेट इट गो राइट, बट आई न्यू दिमाग में कि हो तो रहा ही है. अगेन वेबसाइट क्रैशेस मॉर्निंग में, वो सब तो होता रहता है, सुबह से पापा बैठ के उसको रिफ्रेश रिफ्रेश कर रहे हैं. मैं आई रिमेम्बर मैं एक रात पहले सो नहीं पा रही थी, बिकॉज यू आर नर्वस राइट कि अगले दिन सुबह 9 बजे 10 बजे समथिंग लाइक दैट इट स्टार्ट. And I slept very late. My sister, this beautiful angel of a person, I remember रात के 2 बजे मेरे को स्टोरी सुना के लोरी सुना के सुना रही है, क्योंकि डर से मैं सो नहीं पा रही. तो आई स्लेप्ट लेट, तो आई वोक अप लेट ऐसे 10:30 इश कि क्या आई डोंट नो द टाइम, एंड पापा रिफ्रेश 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 किए जा रहे हैं. बट हाँ जस्ट वोकन अप एंड गेट इन टू द रूम, एंड मे बी उसी टाइम पे द रिजल्ट फाइनली पॉप्ड अप, एंड पापा लेजिट ऐसे जो खड़े होके ऐसे चीखने लगे, एंड योर ब्रेन इज स्टिल फिगरिंग थिंग्स आउट कि चल क्या रहा है, बिकॉज यू जस्ट वोकन अप. तो या दैट वाज अ रियली रियली गुड डे. मॉम डैड ऑफ कोर्स वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. देन यू गो अराउंड, दादी नानी उनको बताया. दैट टीचर, स्कूल का टीचर was maybe the seventh or eighth person I told. It was really very, I'm very vindictive as a person कभी कभार, but it was really fun, बहुत मजा आया था. Well, हाँ, then went out for dinner to a good place. That day was nice. It's one of the best memories.
Great. With that, we come to the end of first section, life before IIT. Moving on to next life at IIT. So, Pragya, आपको पता चला कि you got EC department in Kharagpur. And do you remember your journey कि Kharagpur कैसे पहुंचे, and then your initial or first impressions of Kharagpur?
Yeah, वहाँ भी sad story. मेरी life is very weird. तो we had then moved to Hyderabad. After my results, Hyderabad shift हो गए थे. When a few days, so I don't remember the exact dates, but the OG plan also was कि we'll go to Odisha, stay a week, and then they'll drive and drop me off at Kharagpur. Some time before that, I lost one of my elder fufas, like around that time period only. So the journey honestly started with that. So that was really painful, really bad time. But when there, फिर उसके बाद parents drove me to Kharagpur. A very weird journey. तो car drive था. I remember पापा giving me fun day on कि अच्छा तू बड़ी हो गई है, you'll date people. But देख तू अगर बाहर एक फॉरेनर क्रिश्चियन लेके आएगी तो हम 6 महीने तक ऐसे मुंह बनाएंगे, बट फिर मान जाएंगे. प्रेफरेंस होगा कि आसपास का देखना. और मैं सोच रही हूँ कि क्यों बता रहे हो यार मेरे को ये सब, मुझे नहीं बात करनी है आपसे. Because it's 18 19 years wala thing, right? But हाँ, and just mom dad giving all their life fun day in that journey, because I guess हाँ पहली बार घर से बाहर अकेली रहूंगी. So honestly very very excited, and I loved Kharagpur first sight mein. Like I say, till date it's one of the most beautiful places I've been to. The lush green place things, it was really really nice. It was very humid, I remember that, very hot. But ठीक है, that excitement overpowered everything. It was just कि यार this is the best places where I'm meant to be. I know this.
Click initially हो गया.
हाँ, it's again government. I'm a lifelong मैं गवर्नमेंट घरों में ही रही हूँ, राइट. तो ऑल दैट पेंट निकली हुई चीजें तो घर जैसा फील हो रहा था कि हाँ दिस आई नो. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस फैंसी एसी बिल्डिंग्स, ये सब नहीं पता मुझे. Yeah, all instant click, yes.
तो फिर मतलब was it different कि staying away from family, मतलब were you already prepared कि हाँ कॉलेज से जाना ही है, इंजीनियरिंग करना ही है, so will you do it that way?
I never felt homesick. I don't know why. Of course, you miss your parents, but I don't remember ever sitting and crying and missing mummy, papa, or behan. I think my sister missed me much more than I ever missed any of them. I I found my people very very fast. I think it's one of my closest friends till date is one of the first people I met on campus. So you make that group of people around you really fast, and first semester is a lot about exploring. Kharagpur has a lot to offer. Matlab, other than acads, and honestly, for the first 3 years, I did not study at all. So there is so much, right? There is just कि तुम सिर्फ कैंपस प्रॉपरली घूमने में तुम्हें 2-3 हफ्ता लग जाएगा टू फिगर कहाँ पे क्या है टू जस्ट रिमेम्बर एवरीथिंग. दिन भर क्लासेस 8 से 4-5 बजे तक क्लासेस. 6 6 7 होते ही आज इस क्लब का ऑडिशन, कल उसका. Quickly I got so the first thing I joined was ETDS. That was a very very ETDS is the English Dramatic Society in Kharagpur, right? So uska process was also very intense. You immediately get 30 people like you, so you make your own friends, right? And the way clubs function in Kharagpur is very fun. Wherein for the first 3-4 months, it's a very intense workshop kind of thing. So you'll have 3 or 4 senior governors who will be teaching you everything, whatever club you're in, and it very quickly gives you that community that you're looking for. So you get so busy ki you don't really like if you're busy, I don't think you'll have the time to really feel homesick, right? So join that, then went to join robotics because खड़गपुर में हो तो कुछ robotics जैसा करना चाहिए आइडिया आ गए तो.
Great. फिर आईटी में आते ही there is culture change that happens. एक तो you were staying with family, maybe sister, but coaching में जाके you are meeting with people कि हाँ same age group में सबसे साथ compete भी कर रहे हो, and then in college you're almost on your own, पर एक community है, and but there's a lot of difference in lifestyle that happens. तो एक तो है कि you're going into the oldest and the biggest IIT there is, and also you're staying away from family. Also, और भी ढेर सारे changes होते हैं. So any culture shocks that you observed खड़गपुर में जाते ही?
Yeah, so one advantage I've had is because I've like gone around so much ki I I never had ki this is the only thing I've seen. I've spent time in Coimbatore, in Uti for a few years, spent time Delhi, har jagah, Pune. So you're already familiar with a lot of different cultures, with a lot of different, the ways the people interact or behave. So maybe that made it a little easier that I wasn't even expecting ki sab same hoga. I fully knew expecting कि यार ये and because Air Force तो all my schools were also like that, right? My friends were all मेरे dad के ऑफिसर दोस्तों के बच्चे, so they were all coming from different regions and communities in any way. बचपन से you grow up celebrating all festivals, whether like all even within Hinduism all festival, but of course Christmas, Eid, everything you do. तो उस level में I never had a culture shock. I think the biggest shock was food, which was horrible. But and because I was already exposed to it, it gave me the opportunity to be more fund up person also. ऐसे someone would be कि अच्छा ये क्या चल रहा है, मैं जाके फंडा दूंगा, अरे ये तुझे नहीं पता, ऐसे होता है, मैं जब यहाँ पे थी तो मैंने ऐसा भी देखा. Uh, हाँ तो नो ऐसा कुछ शौक नहीं फूड के अलावा. सो मेस वाज बैड, बट इफ यू गो टू द कैंटीन्स एंड स्टफ इट टेस्ट सिमिलर. तो मेरे लिए तो आफ्टर फर्स्ट ईयर वीएस का साहू कैंटीन, दैट इज वेयर आई हैड ऑल माई मील्स. एंड ऐसे भी वो मस्त ओडिया स्टाइल में खाना बनाता था उसको. उस साहूदा से इतनी दोस्ती हो गई थी कि ही न्यू माई ऑर्डर व्हेन आई वाज वॉकिंग इन. तुम अंदर जाकर उसको अपने हिसाब से कस्टमाइज करा लो तो within a year you sort things out. CCD was really subsidized. So and I had a senior, Siddharth Srivastav, who met him in ETDS, and he was very very famous for giving treats. So the first 3 years of my life I survived on his money. हर दूसरे दिन मुझे सीसीडी में ट्रीट मिल रही है कॉफी की, तो ये तो वहां के दादा भी अच्छे से जानते थे कि अच्छा ये घुस रही है तो इसका फ्रैपे बनाना स्टार्ट कर दो. Interesting story. When I broke my hand, after Chacha, dad also came to meet me at some point. तो प्रोफेसर अरिजीत देव was a faculty advisor, right? Papa went to meet him. तो the AD was like कि अरे प्रज्ञा वो तो रात भर घूमती रहती है, उसका आप क्या स्ट्रेस ले रहे हो? तो पापा मुझे ऐसे घूर एंड एडी हैड दिस हैबिट, रात के 2-3 बजे ही विल गो बैक फ्रॉम हिज लाइक फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट टू होम। आई डोंट नो इतना देर तक क्या करते थे, एंड इनवेरिएबली हफ्ते में 3 बार वो मेरे को देख लेते थे सड़क पे 2.2 पे चलते हुए। तो दैट वाज पापा एक अच्छा मस्ती करे ना कॉलेज में, कूल।
We'll come back to another culture aspect of KGP जो कि स्पेशली होता है ना येल्लू रंगोली टाइम पे एंड KGP is just like a पता नहीं क्या like a मेला जैसा लग रहा था कि okay so beautiful but how did you find that मतलब एक तो you've grown up all over India cultures भी you've seen was that something that definitely was new for you or कैसा था?
हाँ मतलब ऑनेस्टली इलू रंगोली इज न्यू, मतलब किसी के लिए से वो नहीं हो सकता कि ये चीज पहले देखी है, राइट? इट्स unparalleled, like that experience of experiencing it for the first time. So I was in MT in my first year, I think उसमें फर्स्ट ईयर में ऐसे भी तुमसे ज्यादा काम करवाते नहीं है, तो दिवाली जस्ट बिकम्स के ड्रेस अप फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन योर लाइफ। कोई कोई लड़कियां पहली पहली बार साड़ी पहन रही है एंड सड़क पे निकलो, अब देखते हैं। डूड दैट, मतलब आई थिंक आरपी में मैंने पहला इलू देखा था। गजब मेस्मराइज थी मैं कि ये क्या है, दिस इज अनरियल। हाउ इज दिस नॉट कि हमारे सारे कैटलॉग्स में ये कि तुम्हें साल में एक बार ये देखने को मिलेगा। Kaja, the scale of those rangolis, dude, massive. Like, I still, when I tell people, लोग मेरी बात नहीं मानते कि मैं, they think I'm exaggerating जब मैं बोलती थी रूम से बड़े रंगोली होते थे। You take these huge chatais, and when I say huge, they're what, 30 feet? 30 feet cross, 30 feet, like of that size. And you would make a design on it with diyas. So, and the way the prep work of it was कि दिए इसको prep करो, बहुत सारे मिट्टी के दिए, then you get those steel के loops जिस पे तो तुम दिए के चारों तरफ बांधो, and on the day like when you maybe 1-1.5 महीना तो हम बस ये करते थे, दिए पे लूप बांधो। फिर लास्ट हाफ अ मंथ वुड बी चटाई पे उसको बांधो इन द डिजाइन दैट यू हैव, and then on the lude bhai the practice also I've seen and boys halls did it much better, तो मेरे को बाद में इन लोगों से वीडियोस देखे, बट दैट देयर वाज अ होल रिहर्सल फॉर दिस आई थिंक, राइट? कि हाउ यू वुड गेट टेबल के ऊपर टेबल रख के कौन कहाँ खड़ा हो रहा है, सबको कुछ 20-25 दिए मिल रहे हैं जलाने के लिए। हाँ, 1.5 months। बट हम लड़के आए तो हम लोग वी विल जस्ट टेक दोज दिए, अपने कमरे में आ जाते थे। तो 3-4 रूम्स के लोग एक रूम में बैठ के फ्रेंड्स चला देंगे किसी के लैपटॉप में, फिर बैठ के यू टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स, यू टॉक अबाउट योर डे एंड यू लूप दियाज। our seniors were good, they did not torture us बहुत ज्यादा कि वहीं बैठ के करो, as long as whatever you're given, what some number a day, I don't remember the exact, but whatever number you finish it, give that back to them, cool। तो आई डिड दैट आई थिंक फॉर सम टाइम। फिर रंगोली वॉज भाई, मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर में आई वॉज अमेज्ड, आई रियली वांटेड टू नो ये कैसे होता है। स्लाइटली आर्टिस्टिक टेंडेंसीज हैं, तो आई थिंक आई डिड रंगोली ऑल्सो फॉर लाइक सेकेंड हाफ में थोड़ा सा। एक्चुअली बिकॉज आई वॉज डूइंग रंगोली, मे बी आई डिड लेस ऑफ हीलो का काम, इसलिए मेरे को इतना टॉर्चर नहीं हुआ, आई डोंट। बट आई वॉज डूइंग रंगोली पे वो, तो उसमें भी वी मेड इट इनटू अ साइंस ना। उसको यू ब्रेक इट डाउन टू पिक्सल्स वंस यू फिगर्ड आउट योर डिजाइन, ताकि यू गेट दैट परफेक्ट शेडिंग।
एंड मेरे लिए स्पेशली इट वाज फर्स्ट टाइम कि एक लॉन्गर टर्म प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग हम लोग क्या करते थे इनिशियली सेकेंड ईयर से स्टार्ट करो तो वी आर जस्ट गिवन यूनिट प्रॉब्लम्स कि हाँ चलो दिए में तार बांधो दैट इज इट बट वो क्या व्हाट डज इट लीड अप टू मतलब वो एक महीने से क्यों कर रहे हैं बिकॉज हम लोग को चटाई में लगाना है चटाई में क्यों कैसे लगाएंगे वो हम लोग एक्चुअल साइंस जो पढ़े हैं वो वी आर अप्लाइंग कि हाँ प्रोजेक्टर को लगा के यूज टू प्रोजेक्ट अ स्मॉल ड्राइंग जो हम लोग चटाई में करेंगे टू दैट होल सीन फिर उसमें मार्किंग करके आउटलाइन बनाएंगे देन उसमें दिया लगाएंगे देन तेल डालेंगे एंड देन विल लाइट इट अप एज यू सेड मैसिव अमाउंट ऑफ टीम बिल्डिंग हो जाता था उस part तो अभी I will come to another aspect is like the coursework. You took EC का department and how did it go from first year? आपका dual degree था, right? So 5 years in EC and how do you see the coursework as? मतलब is it still relevant? कि how should we make some changes? How do you feel?
So Honestly speaking, I think EC is one of the most difficult courses that we do because you do everything. You do EC, which is also a lot. There is a lot of core mathematical fundamental things. जो पांच चीजें हम पढ़ते हैं, digital, analog, RF, signal processing. They're all complete things in their own stead, right? Much more difficult than most other courses, in my limited opinion, of course. Um, in terms of its relevance, yeah, so I switched in my career to a very very non-electronics domain. Although I did my MTech in VLSI and मुझे really VLSI में काम करना था, but stupid Qualcomm did not give me a job. The switch domains, in terms of, and I'm doing AI now, right? Deep learning AI. That's what I've been doing over the last 8 years. So उस टाइम के हिसाब से वट एवर वी स्टडीड मे बी एज एडिशनल्स इन पैटर्न रिकग्निशन एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, सो एंड स्पेशली फॉर वाइब्स वाला जो स्पेशलाइजेशन होता था, सम ऑफ दोज कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर रेलिवेंट, येस. कैन देर बी मोर ऑफ इट? ऑफ कोर्स, लाइक आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अभी ज्यादा होता भी होगा. आई एम डिसेंटली श्योर कि in today's date you do not only teach basic PCA सिखा के छोड़ दिया. I think we hired 2 साल पहले we finally got to hire someone from Kharagpur. So his basics were much stronger than mine were when I joined. So pretty sure courses are also getting upgraded. सिर्फ हार्डवेयर के उसमें again extensive domain, right? So the basics are all there. Yay. You need those basics. So if you get into the industry, of course, you might end up doing something very, very different. Your daily work might not be very log mein code karna for a lot of people. Just a lot of my friends, maybe a lot of their work is just computing things on Excel sheets, but you need those basics in place to be able to build anything new, right? So all of that, very, very like it needs to be there. But maybe we can restructure things, figure out at least a few courses on what is actually relevant. So especially when MTech लोग कर रहे हैं in those 2 years of specialization, it's more, at least one industry relevant course uh, can help bridge the gap a bit. Aki, that is the relevance of the coursework. You also asked about how my coursework was, वैसा
Yeah,
कुछ?
yeah. How did you feel कि first year से लेकर fifth तक, मतलब how were you coping with it?
या तो 3 साल तो मैंने कोई पढ़ाई नहीं की. I breezed through things. Like first year ऐसे AWC में चला गया. I got very very busy with extracurriculars in college, and I think Kharagpur has this weird culture or weird thing of not giving importance to academics. At least the seniors I interacted with, everything was about extra cads, everything was about getting a POR, your position of responsibility. तुम वो सब कैसे हो? तो second year में I became a secretary for Gymkhana, उसमें elections में I got involved. Uh, सेकेंड ईयर में रोबोटिक्स में आई थिंक इन्वॉल्वमेंट कम किया बिकॉज ये हो गया था, बट देन ड्रामेटिक्स में बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्वमेंट बढ़ा दिया था मैंने अपना, hoping to become a governor in my third year because that is what you've been taught, right? And honestly, like maybe for a lot of non-core departments, it is very very important because unfortunately, yeah, agri ki jobs come hai. Like there are a lot of these outdated departments just where you do not really have high-paying jobs. So invariably, you'll take up consultant roles, or maybe you'll go do an MBA. And उस सब में I'm pretty sure this matters, but where that gap gets created is if you're if you want to get into core jobs in any department, acads is important, and we do not value it enough. So 3 साल I didn't study. Third year के end तक I think my CG had reached a 7.8 or something, 7.8, 7.9. Third year was horrible. It was really really weird. It was a very very weird year. But third year के end में I realized कि luckily for me I'm a dual degree, right? तो I have एक और साल अपने पाप सुधारने के लिए. I realized कि most companies do not even open for you if you're less than 8. And unfortunately, the way CG things work is first year के grades matter the most. उसके बाद it keeps getting divided, right? So at fourth year starting 7.8 को 8 plus करना is a really difficult challenge. but I knew ki there is no other way. Otherwise, I won't get a job. And then, of course, there's the pressure of that 1 crore package wala tag, because why else have you spent 5 years in Kharagpur? है ना? वो भी that was a process. Third year से I started brainwashing my parents कि नहीं होता 1 करोड़, वो यूएस में जाके होता है, उसके बाद 50% टैक्स देते हो, फिर 50 लाख, फिर उसको कन्वर्ट करो. But take but you knew ki things are bad. I also ended up I'm a very weird person. For whatever reason, I chose VLSI as my specialization. क्योंकि तब तक दिमाग में आ गया था कि यार कुछ फंडामेंटल करना है. मतलब coding वगैरह, especially so for people who don't know, EC in Kharagpur gives 5 specializations. VIPES, which is visual image processing and embedding systems, it's a little more coding based. VLSI, which is your core hardware chip design and all. There is communication systems, which is communication systems, microwave, RF microwave, and signal processing. एक और कुछ था ना पांच थे.
DSP, I think,
Some
digital
fifth one.
signal process, maybe.
जो apparently कोई लेता नहीं था, इसलिए हमें याद नहीं.
Yes.
And these two, Vipes and VLSI was the most famous one. Communication was, I'm so sorry, very good but very difficult. RF was no one took. So I ended up taking VLSI because coding ही करनी है, तो you're competing with CS people, right? जिन्होंने 4 साल 5 साल ये किया हुआ है, और मुझे कोडिंग नहीं करनी है जीवन में. तो I ended up taking VLSI, which is difficult, especially when your basics are not that strong, because 3 साल मैंने लफंगागिरी की है. The fourth year was when I finally got down to really studying. Um, Luckily again, Siri, that senior I was talking about, he is one of my closest friends. So he had also taken VLSI. He's also ECU dual degree. So he helped me out a lot. Amrit also ended up taking VLSI. We studied our honestly our asses off. Matlab, there are so many relationships I ruined in my last 2 years क्योंकि सिर्फ पढ़ रही थी, but helped in the long run. I managed to reach a 8.4 by placement, graduated with 8.6, I think 8.5 something as a. And nahi hota to placements would have been tough. I saw it being tough for a lot of people who could not cross that 8 wala band. So my CG graph is amazing. It goes like this.
Hmm.
Proper. Third year to bhai kya trauma. I'm pretty sure tera bhi third year would have been horrible.
My second year was horrible. Third year फिर भी was horrible in terms of coursework, but ठीक है, at least second year का झटका इतना ज्यादा लगा था कि third year में absorb हो. So yeah, I think हाँ, relatively better than second year, but anyway it was bad. तो हाँ, ऐसे था. ठीक है, you were talking about placements and उसमें how was the experience? Like कि December season is the crunch season, पूरा preparation of 4 years, 5 years जितना भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, that comes boils down to 1 or 2 weeks. At least at that time we thought कि it boils down to that time कि हाँ job secure करो निकलो यहाँ से. But yeah,
And party karo ek semester.
yes.
Job mil gayi to ek semester party kar sakte ho.
So yeah, कैसे था? Only question is two parts में. तो एक तो था कि internship वाला भी you had your placements, right? And then there's the actual job. So how would those two separate?
So actually, all of these experiences taught a lot, right? So internship के time पे third year में when you're sitting for internships, I think उस time पे my mindset was to get one of these non-core internships. For whatever reason, in my group of people, seniors I interacted to, ITC was the coveted internship. कि भाई ITC मारना है, पता नहीं क्यों. There's no like EC वाला ITC जाके क्या करेगा. बट ऐसे ही था कि आईटीसी क्लियर करना है. तो आई गॉट रिजेक्टेड फ्रॉम आईटीसी बिकॉज मुझे इलेक्ट्रिकल नहीं आता था, उनको ईसी नहीं आता था. देर इज नथिंग दैट दे कैन गेट आउट ऑफ मी. तो but those are one of the initial झटके, right? कि when those things didn't work out and you start realizing कि मतलब maybe start figuring things कि तुम्हें क्या करना है rather than लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं करने के लिए. That might not always be optimal. The second big trend अपने time में was coding, right? You code and you get one of those internships. Being a dual degree, you're also lucky that you see placements firsthand. It's not कि तुम अपने seniors की कहानी सुन रहे हो, but when your BTech batch is getting placed, you're there. Generally, like when you guys got placed in 2015, हम लोग campus में थे, we were helping you out, right? So you see whatever your friends are going through, you see the disappointment, you live that disappointment, you see the pain of क्या fourth day हो गया, fifth day हो गया. 80% of your batch is placed and you're not placed, and it's not because you're not good, because it's just that it's Kharagpur. Like everyone is good, and it's very random कि कोई टेस्ट कुछ randomly अच्छा चला गया, कोई इंटरव्यू में कुछ आसान क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया, तो थोड़ा बहुत आई थिंक मेंटल प्रिपेयर्डनेस उससे आना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. यू नो कि दिस इज व्हाट इट्स गोइंग टू बी. यू नो द वो थिंग. The other thing about placements is, yeah, you take a lot of very important decisions in those 2 3 months. जैसे big choice is core करना है, non core करना है, because you have to make different CVs and prepare differently for each of these, right? Non core करना है तो maybe you are attempting the consulting firms, and वो भी used to come with very very hefty packages, and hence were the in things in Kharagpur. But you prepare differently for it, या coding करना है या अपना core करना है. I was lucky कि when I was sitting for placements, we were getting a lot of core companies giving good compensation and packages. So that was at least an option for me. And a lot of those choices are very randomly made. You don't really think things. कितना पता है, राइट? लाइक तुम सीनियर से बात करके वो कितना ही बताने वाला है. इट्स वेरी, यू गो अटेंड द प्री प्लेसमेंट टॉक्स. आई रिमेम्बर ग्रोफर्स या किसी का मैंने अटेंड किया था जिसमें द गाय मेड सम वेरी इगोइस्टिक स्टेटमेंट्स कि इससे अच्छा कंपनी कुछ है नहीं, तो मैंने डिसाइड किया था आई वोंट अप्लाई फॉर ग्रोफर्स. तो वेरी रैंडम थिंग है ना, इसका कोई राइम लॉजिक नहीं है. But some, you maybe talk to your friends, people come up with some logic that makes sense for you कि अब ये करेंगे जीवन में, and then going through the whole thing. And I guess most people keep eggs in all baskets. तो तुम कैट भी दोगे, which is also November 30th, December 1st, 2nd वाला window. That is its own pressure. उसके बाद फिफ्थ ईयर है तो दैट्स योर एमटेक ईयर. तुम्हारा ग्रैंड आई थिंक एमटीपी का एक बड़ा प्रेजेंटेशन होता था दिसंबर में, विच जिसमें फॉर व्हाटएवर प्रॉफ्स थॉट कि नो लोगों को सीधा करना इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन एनीथिंग एल्स. The lot of things to manage. Maybe if you can make a good choice for yourself, life becomes easier. So for, like I said, for whatever reason I had chosen कि मुझे कोर करना है, तो I was only preparing for that. एनीवेज फोर्थ ईयर से पढ़ाई कर ही रही थी, तो इट वाज जस्ट कंप्लीटली फोकस्ड ऑन वीएलएसआई पढ़ना है, खत्म. थोड़े बहुत कोडिंग बेसिक्स देख लो ताकि यू डोंट मिस आउट ऑन अपॉर्चुनिटीज, बट थोड़ा मैथ्स प्रॉप स्टैट आई थिंक वही सब, बट मोस्टली है. एंड दैट हेल्प बिकॉज हेल्प यू फोकस ऑन one thing rather than this whole breadth of opportunities that exist. The process, of course, very taxing.
So you got placed in Samsung उधर ही from the campus itself. Hmm.
Yes. I like I said, मेरे को हार्डवेयर करना था, मुझे कॉलकम जाना था. डे वन में I had some work. So Qualcomm was coming day two. I think day one I knew I wasn't shortlisted for Qualcomm, but there was Nvidia, TI, ये सब companies which I was shortlisted for, which were all day two. So day one के interviews I did not want to clear. So you go and give a bad interview because you want to be available for day two. I remember day two second half was Samsung, and I gave Samsung an interview because I thought एक तो hardware होगा Samsung है. Plus it started on time. Like lunch के बाद 2 o'clock they were ready to start, and I was there. तो उनका चलो इंटरव्यू दे देते हैं. बाकी लोग 2:30 बजे बोल रहे हैं तो we'll be get done with this. And I really liked my interview process. मतलब it wasn't a test; it was a conversation. It was, just randomly thinking on how you would do something, how you would solve a specific type of problem, how I have done things in my own college wo and all. So must था. I really enjoyed that interview, and I think 2 घंटा चला. By 4 o'clock, I had an offer, and I was very tired to give another interview. तो मैंने छोड़ा यार, नौकरी मिल रही है, चिल मारते हैं हम. I'm pretty sure it's very, very difficult for some people. I have seen it was decently easy for me. My luck helped thoda bahut. Um, I didn't have a lot of heartbreaks throughout that process. Ki bar bar attempt kar rahe ho and you're not clearing things. I'm pretty sure my soft skills helped to a certain extent there. But it's important. Matlab, it's a very important, very people who have just done internships and PPO and have not gone through that placement वाला सीन, आई ऑनेस्टली पिटी देम थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि इट्स अ वेरी गुड वो एक्सपीरियंस है, कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग एक्सपीरियंस।
Yes,
पता
humbling
होना चाहिए कि
experience.
what
Yep.
you will do in that situation. तो sit for placement important.
Unrelated to placements, but the OP culture, right? So, how is the OP culture like in especially second year में होता है ना, girls hostel में? How is it?
Orientation program, you're
Yeah,
oriented.
orientation program. Yes.
होता है, of course, मतलब हमारे टाइम पे होता था. There is uh, it was honestly, when thinking back, it was more funny than anything. Lot of it was randomly लोगों का सब डिटेल याद रखना हर इंसान का, कि कौन है, कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट, उसके पूरे बॉयफ्रेंड्स की लिस्ट, आई डोंट नो व्हाई याद रखना है, बट ठीक है. बस याद रखना है. Actually, it was useful also, at least in our times. We had a lot of girls who came from, smaller cities, and IIT's Kharagpur is a boys world, so it's important to empower women to stand up to those things. There are a lot of girls who are very shy, right? और लड़के कुछ आके बोल के चले जाएंगे and you won't know कि उन्होंने क्या बोला है, let alone hold your own, right? और ठीक है, it's 20-year-olds, highly hormonal people. It's important to know what's happening around you and how you can deal with that. And Vingopi taught a lot of it, which was really nice. मतलब, the ways of doing it might be different, but एंड में, इफ नथिंग एल्स, तुम्हें सारी गालियां सिखाई जाती थी ताकि तुम्हें कोई कुछ बोले तो तुम्हें पता है वो क्या बोल रहा है, उसका मतलब क्या है. जो कि ऑनेस्टली इन 2011-12, 80% ऑफ माई लाइक फीमेल बैचमेट्स डिडंट इवन नो उसका मतलब क्या. तो थोड़ा बहुत लेवल द प्लेइंग फील्ड देयर. आई एंजॉय बिंग ओपी अलॉट. बहुत मजा आता था. क्या करते थे तुम? जाके किसी के रूम में आते थे, गाना गाते थे, डांस करते थे. Cool.
Education or entertainment का एक अच्छा सा combination.
Yeah.
So with that, we'll come to the end of the second section, life at IIT. We'll move on to the next, life beyond IIT. So, Pragya, you said कि you got placed in Samsung, and what is your job role? You're still at Samsung doing great work, right? It's related to AI ML, that part I know, but what does your day look like in Samsung?
Right. So I got placed at Samsung and I work for a team called Advanced Technology Labs. So the idea of this team is to work on the next gen technology, figure out whatever is being developed नए से, how do you build it effectively for the Samsung ecosystem. So like I was telling you earlier, right, Samsung has its own set of constraints. It's slightly different. We are consumer facing, it's not B2B. uh, we have to think about data privacy because we're making devices that people use and have a lot of personal data on, right? So a lot of basic constraints hai, and how do you adapt these latest technologies and build applications or solutions that can then go into these devices is basically the definition. So over the years, I've done a lot of different areas because AI is something जो बहुत rapidly growing है. It's not a very stable वो. Every year it's a new concept that has taken over the market. So how has that helped is because I have been in that relevant field हर साल. Whenever something new is happening, maybe उससे 3 महीने पहले से I've already started working on it. So like very recent example, before you had ChatGPT 4.0 से, ChatGPT 4.0 came October, September of last year, right? We had built our multimodal LLM in March. So you're already abreast to the concepts. You know what is happening. You know what's relevant, and it's fun. मतलब, it's a lot of ऐसा ना constant learning and growing वाली चीज. It's there's no stagnation कि यार यही करते आ रहा है, यही build कर रहा है, तो तुम बोर हो जाते हो चीजों से. And a lot of time people switch also because of this, right? कि same faces, same manager, same काम, पक गए, कुछ नया करते हैं. So luckily my work has been very very volatile to manage. Otherwise I'm a person जिसको stability नहीं पसंद जीवन में. मैं, and for me to stick to one company and one city for so many years is very very unlike me. But I think that happens because of the nature of my work कि that is very very volatile. The scope rapidly changes. What you would imagine in January कि साल के end में ये करेंगे, what you end up doing is something very different क्योंकि the industry has changed, as you, it's a new domain, right? So as you explore, you'll realize कि ये हो सकता है, ये नहीं हो सकता, and maybe let's change things to align to this. So all of that, it's really something that keeps me इच लाइक इनटू इट कि यार है, कुछ कर रहे हैं. तो हाँ, स्टक विद सैमसंग, ग्रोन विद इन सैमसंग. तो राइट नाउ स्टाफ रिसर्च सब वैसा. सो हैव माय टीम ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड समथिंग interesting for next gen solutions. इस बार के S25 में a lot of solutions will be included.
So let's say someone who's watching maybe on a Samsung phone itself, S24, Ultra, Note, whatever. So what are some of the technologies that they are using and you might have worked on?
So I'll start with the oldest. The first thing I did, उस time पे Samsung used to have two phones. Right now you only have either foldable or S25, right? उस time पे there used to be S series and Note series, and Note series was separately with pen. So with the Note series, whatever you were writing on your phone and that got recognized, तो उसका पूरा Indic languages का was completely built in SIB. We were a team of three people doing it. So all Indic languages, starting from Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, all of those languages are engines we built. Made some optimizations in terms of अगर English में लिखना है, like you're writing Hindi words in English and vice versa. So the core way in which the modules understand things changes. तो उसके लिए some enhancements led to a couple of good papers and patent. आज so and the most recent would be since S24, Samsung especially gallery search में originally all of your image searches was tag based कि every image will have certain tags that are associated with it, like अभी का फोटो लेंगे तो there'll be सोमनाथ का टैग, प्रज्ञा का टैग, maybe curtain का टैग and so on. And searches were tag based, so whatever query you give, it will match to the tags and give you results. But we started developing a language based solution. So there's a concept called vision language models. So that first got commercialized in S24. So S24 ke gallery searches is something we worked on. S25 ka to is fully my team.
Circle to
Uh,
tap, right? Circle to search. Huh. Oh,
Circle to search is a Google solution.
Google.
That is different.
Huh.
This is just कि gallery में photo
Huh,
search
huh.
करो, but you
Oh,
want to
okay.
give a more descriptive. तो you want to search for the photo where Somnath is wearing a blue hat in
Oh,
standing on a pier.
okay.
This search is a little more complex. तुम tag match करोगे तो you might not get what you're looking for, or you'll get it, but you'll get 500 photos and you have to search for
Mhm.
that one. So a more intensive engine where it actually aligns your text to the image, मतलब brings it to the same space and finds a similarity between that. तो वैसा वाला engine.
And you've written a lot of papers as well, right? So मतलब उसके बारे में भी if you can elaborate a bit.
Some papers, but so I've been lucky that way as well. Because it's a research team, it your papers or contributing to the research community is important. I again very lucky that in the starting of my career I got very like we had a guide called Professor Shankar, Dr. Shankar, who had come from US and came with his own academic career का background. So he got me into this, and I actually personally enjoy writing papers a lot. एक तो it becomes like a short project कि तुम कुछ एक specific problem को solve करके better तरीके से दिखा पा रहे हो, and adds to your personal value, right? Like it feels nice कि outside of just the work that I'm doing and the uh, whatever my team or company knows me for, उसके अलावा भी I have this validation from the community कि ठीक है यार, you're doing correct things or you're helping the research community grow in a certain way. So I enjoy writing papers a lot. I keep it as my personal goals कि साल का एक कुछ होना चाहिए.
So, part of your life is traveling, right? So, yeah, and also it comes from a mutual love of the Mauritian culture. So, yeah, you went there twice, and looking at your photos in Instagram, I got inspired to go at least once. So, I visited with my wife last year. So, what are the best places that you have traveled to, and where do you plan to go next?
Yes, मतलब एक तो हाँ, I absolutely love traveling. That's how I keep some nomadic elements in my life. Actually, it took a lot of time for us to shoot this क्योंकि मैं कुछ ना कभी कहीं होती थी. But best place. So within India, I would say we did a Ladakh trip, and honestly, very very surreal. It's one of those experiences that makes you realize how small and insignificant you are, but that's deeply wo. And I was really lucky ki dad helped me with a lot of things. So we got to stay in army establishments. When we went to Kargil, we saw the flag. So the where Kargil War Memorial is at the point of jahan pe war hua tha, so you see the Tiger Hills and all, and they did this beautiful ceremony at sunset where they talk about all that happened, and काफी very very different experience. One of the best things of my life. So India में yes Ladakh and of course Srinagar. Srinagar is beautiful. It is heaven on earth, unmatched. दुनिया में I think I really like Turkey a lot. Uh, Turkey was I'll go back again any day. Matlab. So much, yeah. There is so much history, so much culture. The food is very similar to us, which is very nice. And every region has its own thing. Tum go slightly towards Antalya side, it feels like Europe. Go slightly towards the Middle East side, you see the cultural aspects of things. Istanbul, so much culture and history there. Beautiful place. Turkey was really nice. Last year we did Vietnam, which is yeah, क्या बढ़िया देश है मस्त है कॉफी इज दी बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड मैं हम इतनी कॉफी पिए हैं दिन में 4 कप कॉफी सोते रहते हैं कांस्टेंट एंड फॉर समवन हु इज planning to go to Vietnam, there's an island called Condau, which only locals go to. They have barely seen Indians. It is a beautiful island. It's a hidden secret. Go to Condau. But,
Okay,
huh, beautiful place again. Go back
nice.
to Vietnam and Turkey.
Right. And we were also discussing a concept of like a podcast on travel separately, right? So you have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge to share. So
I
yeah,
should do something with that,
yeah.
no? कोशिश करेगा.
Okay. With that, we come to the end of the third section. Moving on to the next is rapid fire. Quick questions, quick answers. Start off with the first. Favorite subject before IIT?
Oh, maths.
Favorite professor in IIT? I think I know, but still, I'll ask anyway.
Actually, you don't. So I like AD, but I like Professor IC and Dhar much more. IC was also my guide, an absolute sweetheart of a person. Matlab, I remember, I know rapid fire नहीं रहेगा once I start telling stories,
Hmm.
but fourth year में generally MTech वालों को they don't allow an internship, but मैंने जाके IC सर को बोला था कि please please मेरे को एक course try करना है तो he let me do it. IBM had this special program for fourth year internships. He was the in charge of it. So he found out first that I've gotten that internship, and he was so excited about the class. Ke class mein start hote is like Pragya, Pragya, I have to talk to you, and then throughout the class kept smiling at me. And class ke baad alag se le jayenge ki Are you've gotten this. As really good human being. Matlab, loved having IC as a professor. And Professor Dhar, I'm pretty sure like, Dhar say you might not even have learned anything from him, but यार the way he teaches things is आज तक मुझे नहीं पता सब्जेक्ट आसान था कि उन्होंने आसान बनाया आई हैव नो आइडिया बट इट वाज वन सब्जेक्ट जिसके लिए हमने एक दिन पढ़ाई नहीं की थी एंड वी स्कोर वेरी गुड मार्क्स बिकॉज ये क्लास वाज वेरी लॉजिकल राइट कि ये करना है तो तुम्हें ये स्टेप करना है तुम्हें ये क्लियर है तो तुम एग्जाम में भी कर लोगे one of the best profs I've seen is Thar, and one of the best human beings is Professor IC. Really
Right.
great people.
Favorite course in IIT?
Digital design. Again, very logical subject though. Yay.
Most enjoyable year at IIT?
Third.
Third, enjoyable. Okay. Most confusing year at IIT?
Third. Yeah, third was it was 5 साल का experience in one. We had the most coursework. We had governorship of all societies. So that was its own politics and drama across everything. There was internships, which was its own woe. I had my first breakup in third year. I started dating Amrit in my third year. Everything happened in my third year. I lived life in my third year. काफी
Okay.
मस्त था.
Great. Okay. Last is favorite lingo, KGB ka.
Peace. Peace
very
तो
common.
मतलब, has anyone answered anything other than peace or अपना मखाऊ?
हाँ, कुछ लोगों को डिपार्टमेंट के नेम्स बड़े अच्छे लगते थे कि एग्रीकल्चरल का घासी एंड दैट
बत्ती
वेरी
छोटी
यूनिक नेम्स।
बत्ती।
या फर्स्ट ईयर से आई एक्चुअली ट्राई टू अवॉइड केजीपी लिंगो। मुझे मतलब एक तो था कि सीनियर आके जब फंडे देने लगते थे ना कि हॉस्टल्स में, ट्रिपल एम में हम लोग का था, सीनियर हॉल्स में आके बोलते थे कि ओके ये सोसाइटीज है, इधर पीस होता है, इधर लोड होता है। मैं बोला पीस लोड क्या है ये, मतलब आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मीनिंग फर्स्ट, देन मुझे तो इजी भाषा में नहीं बता सकते हो। एंड देन लाइक नहीं ये नहीं होगा मेरे से। बट देन सेकेंड ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स इट जस्ट फ्लो में आ गया वो, मतलब लाइक मेरे अंदर से चल रहा है।
You can't take KGP out of a KGP.
यस
मैं
एक्चुअली।
टीम मीटिंग से बोलती हूँ क्या मखाऊ बातें कर रहा है। मैं फ्रेशर्स आके मेरे को घूर रहे, क्या पागल हो गई लड़की।
ओके, अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज कि अभी जस्ट आई वाज शूटिंग द
She's
एपिसोड
a,
ऑफ अरिजीत पात्रा। तो वो ही ही वेंट टू ऑक्सफोर्ड राइट, तो ऑक्सफोर्ड में भी जाके वो बाहर के देश वालों को सिखा के रखा है पीस।
nice.
He has made, yeah. So he's made KGP proud वैसे.
That is the final goal. हर जगह पे यही यूज होना चाहिए।
Great. So yeah, with that we'll come to the end of the episode. It has been great chatting with Pragya. Very insightful, very funny, very insightful in terms of how her job life is, and as well as her college life, and then very apt suggestions for students as well, whether yeah, whether they do want to go with the IITs or not, but having to make that decision and then sticking with it, every day. That is the main goal. It will not just help you at that stage; it will get to you through college and then your life after college as well. So great, thanks for the advice, Pragya. And hopefully, this episode will be hit.
I hope so too. I hope someone, it helps someone. I
Yes.
hope, I'm pretty sure there'll be someone. I remember वो ड्रॉप ईयर के नवंबर दिसंबर के डार्क डेज वेयर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, क्यों कर रही हूँ। तो मे बी हाँ, समवन हु स्ट्रगलिंग, अभी इट्स जैन फेब राइट, वेरी क्लोज टू एग्जाम्स, हेल्प्स reassure them कि it's all good,
Yeah.
all is well.
Great, great message. And with that, signing off. Thank you.
Bye bye.